In this video, we will learn about nested let and scope of local and global scope of let in statement. We are already in the Power Query editor, so we just need to right click, new query and blank query. So here then we need to go to the advanced editor and let me zoom it. So here you can see this is let, and here we have to define different variables. So for example, we can define here variable 1 is equal to nested let statement. So it will be let, and then the variable will be, for example, a is equal to, it's a learn. This is the name of a variable that contain a string learn, and then we have to write here in statement, and the output will be a, right? So this is one let, nested let inside the outer let, and then we need to define one more let statement, one more variable, like variable 2 is equal to, and then we have to define let, nested let b is equal to ducks. And in the in expression we need to write b. That's it. And see, we have variable 1 in the outer let statement, and then in the inner let statement we have variable a for this, and for b this. So if I try to get the variable, for example, b, and if I click done, so you will see we are getting one error. The name b was not recognized. So let's go to the advanced editor, and here you can see we are here in the outer let, and when we are in the outer let we cannot access the value the value of the variable from the inner let statement. So we have to write one more variable in the outer let statement. This is variable 3 is equal to variable 1, and so now we need to concatenate, and then there is another variable 2. That's it. And then we have to define here we have to write comma, and now we can use variable 3. So that's it. Now we need to click done. So here you can see we are expressing the name variable 2 was not recognized, so we can see what's the problem. So here you can see we have written this small letter v, so now it's a big variable var2. That's it. Click done. So here you can see we are getting the output is learn space ducks. So let's go to the advanced editor, and here we can write one more example. So here we have let a is equal to 1, and then we have in expression, and here it is a. And now we need to write another b is equal to the second variable, and we need to write here one nested let a is equal to 10 or a is equal to a plus 1 and in a. So here you can see we have here the global variable is in the outer let we have a and the value of the a is 1, and here we have again the global variable b and it contains the value a is equal to a plus 1. So what is the difference between this a and this a? The inner let can get the value from the outer let, but the outer let cannot get the value from the inner let. So this is the key that you need to remember. So here you can see if I try to, because here we are in the outer let, and if we click, if we execute, if we try to access a, which value we will get? We can see we should get 1. So here you can see we are getting 1, right? And again go to the advanced editor, and here you can see if I write here b, and now the value should be, for example, if I write here 5, then what should be the value here? It should, because the inner let can access the value from the outer let, so this a will have the value 5 plus 1, and a is equal to a plus 1, the 5 plus 1 is 6, so the b should get, when we will click done, so we get the value 6. So let's click done. So here you can see we are getting 6. You have understood now the local and global variable in let expression and how we can use nested let, because sometimes we have done some complex transformation and then we need to use that transformation that is stored in variable a in some another query. So we will see this behavior practically with some real life example in the upcoming videos.